What's up guys? Hi, hello, it's Katelyn Rose. Today we're going to be cleaning out my closet. As you can see, it is very much needed and we're going to be doing some TikTok style transitions for this video. So I'm very excited and I hope you are too. But first, I'm going to show you all a few of my favorite outfits in my closet that I am definitely not getting rid of. This is my favorite shirt dress. These are my favorite pair of jeans. My favorite black pair of jeans. This is my favorite knit sweater. And my favorite hoodie. My favorite sweater for when it's super cold outside. And my favorite lightweight sweater for spring and summer. This is my favorite skirt. My favorite tank top, and I love the button-down detail. And my favorite cardigan, which is super cozy and soft. These are my favorite denim shorts. I basically live in these in the summertime. This is my favorite oversized t-shirt. I love the colors and the graphic print. These are my favorite colored leggings. They're actually a muted purple color, but came across more red on camera. These are my favorite black leggings. This is my favorite long sleeve top. Again, I'm a huge fan of a button-down detail because I have a short torso and it elongates my body. This is my favorite utility jacket. I've had it for years and it's perfect for layering in the colder months. And here's a few more of my favorite jackets in my collection. I own a lot of dresses, but this one is my favorite because it's really dressy but still casual and it's very versatile. My favorite two-piece set is this camel colored sweatshirt sweatpants set. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I basically live in these sweatpants and I love pairing baggy sweatpants with a cropped tank top. These are a few of my favorites. I've recently been loving the look of an oversized t-shirt paired with biker shorts. Super cute and casual. And this matching activewear set is from Pop Fit Clothing, which I just showed in a recent haul. Most of my other activewear is from Nike, and I can always trust Nike to have super high quality pieces. If you're wondering what I wear when I'm just chilling at home, it usually looks like this, just a casual t-shirt with sweat shorts or sweatpants. I love these shorts from Walmart. They're only $5 and they're super cute and comfortable. Now that I've set aside all of my favorite clothing and showed you a peek into my personal style, it was time to take out every single piece of clothing out of my closet and put it into a huge pile. Next, I went through every individual piece and separated it into 3 piles. I have the keep pile, the maybe pile, and the discard pile. Anything I'm discarding will either be donated or given away to friends or family. Everything in the maybe pile I'm going to try on camera and decide once and for all whether I want to keep it or get rid of it. This process definitely took a while, but in the end, I was super happy to only have clothes in my closet that I love and am excited to wear, and not just an excessive amount of clothing that I don't reach for on a daily basis. Some of this clothing I've even had since high school, and it felt so good to finally get rid of it. Stay tuned till the end of this video to see how I cleaned and organized my closet. Trust me, the transformation is so drastic. I love going into my closet now. It's so much less stressful and I can find everything that I need easily and efficiently.
I see what you're doing to me now.
Leave me a comment and let me know if you guys enjoy videos like these, because I can definitely do more. It was super fun to make and edit. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon before you leave, so that way you are notified when I upload new videos. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much. We just hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel, and it seriously means so much to me. I can't even express. It means the world to have you guys all here with me, and I can't wait to put out more content for you guys. If you want more updates or more content, I am super active on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok, of course. And you can find all of my handles for my social media down in the description box below. So again, I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.
Go build a better tomorrow. For you, I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side, I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one told us. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you were bright white gold. I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb.
know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always